Hey everyone! Welcome back to Everyday English Academy. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Sarah, how are you today?
Honestly, I'm a bit tired. I looked outside this morning and it was so gray and rainy. Oh no. Did it make you want to stay in bed?
Yes, exactly. I just wanted to pull the covers over my head and sleep a little longer. I totally understand. Rain does that to me too. It's funny how weather affects our mood, right?
It really does. When it's sunny, I wake up feeling energetic and ready to go. But on rainy days, I feel slow and lazy.
Same here. And actually, that's perfect, because today we're talking about weather in English. Some people might think, weather? That's boring.
But it's really not. Weather is something people talk about every single day. Exactly. It's the most common small talk topic in the world.
Especially in England. People talk about the weather all the time. Really?
Yes. You can meet someone on a bus and just say, "Terrible weather today, isn't it?" And suddenly, you're having a conversation.
That's so true. You can't walk up to someone and say, "Tell me about your life." That's weird.
Very weird. But saying, "Nice day, huh?" is totally normal. So today, we're going to help you feel comfortable talking about the weather in English.
And we'll keep it simple. No difficult words. Just normal, everyday English you can use right away.
So, Mike, what's your favorite kind of weather?
I love sunny days. Warm and bright, but not too hot.
See, that's too hot for me. I like cool, cloudy days with a light breeze. A breeze means gentle wind, right?
Exactly. Not strong wind, just soft and pleasant.
Everyone's different, and that's what makes conversation interesting. Now let's learn some basic phrases.
The easiest way to ask about weather is, "How's the weather?" You can also say, "What's the weather like?" Both are very common.
To answer, just describe what you see. It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's raining.
If it's raining heavily, you can say it's pouring. There's also a funny expression. It's raining cats and dogs.
Don't worry, no animals are falling from the sky. Let's talk about temperature words. Hot, warm, cool, cold, and freezing.
Warm sounds nice. Hot can mean uncomfortable.
Weather also helps with planning. You might ask, what's the forecast for today?
You can say, "It's supposed to rain this afternoon." But remember, weather is unpredictable. Now, let's talk about expressions.
If you say, I'm feeling under the weather, it means you're not feeling well. Another one is,
Every cloud has a silver lining. It means even bad situations have something good.
and come rain or shine means you'll do something no matter what. Weather is perfect for small talk.
It helps break the ice and start conversations naturally. So next time you meet someone, try talking about the weather.
Simple phrases can lead to great conversations. Thanks for watching Everyday English Academy.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye everyone. Stay dry if it's raining and stay cool if it's hot.